What's up, everybody? I'm Chelsea DeNofa, driver of the 2023 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 FD, and I'm going to give you a tour around it and show you some of the new stuff we got going on this year. So under the hood, the changes this year are single plane intake manifold instead of ITBs. Before we had 8 individual throttle bodies for the motor. The 2 other cars are still running that. We're testing this, and we've got 2 stages of nitrous to have a little bit better control over the power delivery. And because of that, it's changed basically our induction system on top of the K&N. We now have a round, like older NASCAR-style filter instead of the big boxes that we had on there before. Motor still makes very similar power, right at about 1200 all in, and down to about 800 at some tracks. So adjustable power band with the nitrous, and the Ford Performance V8 just runs and makes tons of power and a huge power band, so I'm always pumped to drive it. So this year, inside, it's quite a bit the same Recaro seats. We've got RTR belts now, they're a little bit different. They are Hans device belts, so they go over the Hans device to hold your head from flying off if you get into a bad accident. Inside we have S650 dash, so the newer updated style dash that matches the outside of the car. And I have a new steering wheel too, which is a little Back to the Future homage. We also have these little pull tabs that are kind of nice. I like this. So in terms of suspension, we're still running our BC Racing 3-way adjustable rears, which gives us low and high speed compression and single stage rebound adjustment. We haven't made really many changes in the back. We've widened the track a little bit and changed the lower arm design, but basically it's all within the same system that we had before. So this year, we're running a very similar front wheel and tire combo. It's a 275/35/18 NTO5 on the same white RTR wheel. In the rear, we have the aero disc that basically is filling the void because we run a very high offset wheel in the back this year. We've changed the suspension geometry, and we wanted to have something that looked sweet instead of having a super flat-faced wheel. As far as the tire, we're still running a 315/40/18 Nitto 555 G2. It's been a phenomenal tire since the beginning, 2 laps, making tons of smoke and lots of grip, so don't need to mess around with that really at all. So in the front, not much has changed. A little bit of spring rate change and a little shock change with the BCs. Same pretty much 70 or so degrees of steering angle. But last year we updated to a thinner tie rod for some more clearance to get some more angle and have some more stability in the front end. But again, kind of sticking with what's been tried and true and what we've run with, so. If you guys want to learn more, check out my profile on the Throdle app.